Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Edge panel not showing after update in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you are using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your Edge panel is not showing after updating your system and your Edge panel is not showing here or anywhere on your screen. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to simply go to your settings here, go to display, go to edge panels, and you have to retry to enable it because sometimes it might be that once you have updated your phone, your edge panel disabled or turned off by itself. So you just have to turn it on or enable it again, or you can also switch to light mode to get a basic view of your edge panel, because in your light mode you can't see edge panel as clear as in dark mode. So once I switch to dark mode, if edge panel might be visual here, or if you're still facing the same issue, your edge panel is enabled but you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to disable and enable your edge panel again and again. But if you're still facing the same issue, your edge panel is enabled, your edge panel is not showing here, go back from here and go to check for updates in your software update section. Click on check for updates. Make sure that you're connected to the internet to check for the latest update, because sometimes it might be that your update doesn't install as well. So you just have to retry to update your software. And once you have re-updated your software, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, just scroll down in Control Center, click on this reset option or the power icon option, then click on restart, and then click on the icon again to restart your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.